Hello everyone, it's Elan from GSM Promete. Today I'm here to share with you a great tool that can fix almost all the software related issues that comes with iOS 18. Personally, I've installed iOS 18 on an iPhone XS Max and an 11, and I've experienced some multiple issues such as phone heats up and battery gets drained, phone restart after 13 to 15 minutes of normal use. It doesn't matter which app I'm using. Some people also face some challenges like the iOS 18 update not showing in the settings. And even if it shows, sometimes the firmware can't be downloaded or the download is stuck, failed, which can lead to the device getting crashed and overheating. So today I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to fix these issues using tenorshare reboot software. To begin with, click the link in the description box below to download the tenorshare reboot software. Once you're on the website, you scroll down till you see this prominent button saying free download. If you're running on Mac, the tool is available for both Mac and Windows. You can also go ahead and read through some of the features of the software before you download it. In my case, I'm running on Windows, so I just click on the Windows icon and then download the tool. Once you're done with the download, you just click on Open to begin with the installation. First of all, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. You can also go through the terms and agreement before you begin with the installation. Once you're done, click Install, and then you wait for the installation process to be done. Once the installation process is completed, click on Start button for the tool to be launched. Alright, sure. So this is how the interface looks like. Before we begin with the system repair, I would like to talk about some of the features of the reboot software. Now, the first option you can see here is the recovery mode. This feature is basically going to help you to enter and exit recovery mode without any hassle. So once you connect your device in normal mode and you click on or you hit the enter button, it's going to switch your device into recovery, and once you are done, you just click exit. Also, we have iOS upgrade and downgrade, which is what you're about to talk about, so I'll talk about this later. We have one-click reset. This feature is going to help you to data reset your device with or without data loss. So the factory reset is going to help you to factory reset the entire device, and then the one-click reset is just going to help you to reset the settings on your device. Alright, sure. So these two features are basically going to help you to data reset your device. We also have anti-recovery data mode, which is basically going to help you to resolve some following issues, like whenever your iPhone or iPad is enrolled in Apple's trade program. So you want to get rid of the data on the device entirely. Alright, sure. So we have some more features here, which I'm not going to cover all these features. You can check it out yourself. Very interesting, cool features right here. You can also go through them when you want them. Alright, sure. So coming back to the system repair, that is what we're here for. I have an iPhone 11 connected, and I like to downgrade to iOS 17. It's currently running on iOS 18, and it's overheating. So I like to fix it by downgrading. Alright, sure. So in order to do that, I'll have to click on the downgrade option. If you want to upgrade your iPhone from iOS 17, you can also click on the upgrade option. But before you do that, you need to make sure that you back up your device data. So you need to back up the data, which is a very important thing to do before you proceed with either downgrade or upgrading. I advise you to back up whether you're upgrading or you're downgrading, because there might be issues whereby even if the software says there's no data loss, there might be issues where you'll have to restore the device completely when there's issue during the process. You understand? So you have to back up your data. In my case, I'm going to downgrade my device, so I just click on the downgrade option. The firmware version available is iOS 17.5.1, which is ready for download. The current version on the iPhone is iOS 18, which you can see over here that is showing iOS 18. What you need to do is just click on the download button below the prominent button over here, the download button here. Just click on the download button to download the firmware package for device, or you can also click import local firmware, where if you already have the firmware downloaded on your PC or laptop, you can browse to the directory where the firmware is saved and then import the firmware. Once the firmware is imported, you just click initiate and then click continue. Over here, you need to wait for the device for the software to unpack and begin with the downgrade process. It will take some time, so you just need to be patient. While waiting for the device to be downgraded, I'd like to inform you that tenorshare is currently running a promo where you can purchase re-iBoot and iCare for only $29.95 US. Normally, the re-iBoot alone is priced at $19.95 and the iCare is also priced at $29.95. But now you can buy both products for just $29.95 US by using the link that I'll provide on the screen. If you grab this offer, you are going to save about $29.99 US by just using this promo. Also, during this process, you have to make sure that the device is safely connected to the computer or your laptop or PC or whatsoever, and there shouldn't be any interruption between this connection. Alright, sure. So the downgrade process is completed. As you can see, this is a success message displaying on the screen, and all you need to do is just click on the done button and wait for a device to boot up so you can set it up as a fresh device.